lot of breakdowns, emotional breakdowns, lot of tears, lot of failures. The thing is, again, motivation, I would say, I had a quote written on my study table that, you are an officer,
Yeah.
think like an officer. So it's like you're preparing to become an officer, right? So tomorrow, if you become the DM of a district or something and you have multiple problems in front of you, would you just cry, run away from all of that? No. So it's like I used to identify, definitely, I used to have those moments of, anxiety, my crying sessions. I used to have all of that. But what I used to do is I used to identify my problems. Okay. If a subject is my problem, I would identify how can I make it easier. I would actually look at the solution. How can
Hmm.
I solve it? You need to have this kind of mentality. Go in front of the mirror, look at yourself and say, you are an officer, think like one. You can't just run away from things, right? So this is the only motivation. If it's like external, first of all, you need to have that, that fire inside you, that it should not be like an external motivation thing. I understand. Take your time. It's a long process. Just study for 7, 8 hours daily. But always
Yeah.
keep telling yourself, this is a long journey. This is UPSC. UPSC deserves that kind of respect as well. Okay. And do not doubt yourself. That's the only thing I can say. Every time, I have failed 3 times before I could actually make it through.
Yeah.
There might be like, there were days when I had self doubt, but then I used to always remind myself that this is for something good.
Yeah.
I will eventually make it. Have that confidence in yourself. Never doubt.